Then let's see which keys go in where. I've only been in this property once. And from what I remember, it just needs a bit of work, you know what I mean? So what we have here is someone's done something. It's very icky. Smells very damp. Very high ceilings. Cylinder there. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put a thermostat in, and we're going to get that going.
What's that? Oh.
Oh, a little note saying they hope we enjoy the house. Little bits of information that we need. It's very good. So, this is the bathroom. Coming in. Bathroom. These are all sand and cement tiles that you put on sand and cement. There's your shower. Do you know what I mean? Bish bash bosh. Shower. Then we go into this room. This room is going to be the new bathroom. So this window's getting boarded up. Going to put a joining wall here with a 600 split there. That's going to be a shower. That's going to be a toilet. Sink's going to go there. Bath's going to go in the corner. Everything down. Ceiling. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to pull the ceiling down today in every room. So this room here, this is another bedroom. So this is another bedroom. This is a big room, this, to be honest. So this is going to become a living room. So we're going to pull the ceiling down, see if we knock the walls down first. Pull the ceiling down, see if we knock the walls down. This room here, this is going to be my bedroom because I like big bedrooms. Big bedrooms. Very nice. Big bedrooms, lots of light. What we're going to do is we're going to insulate them two walls for next door so we don't hear them. I wonder, this might have been rewired, this, you know. I don't even know where electric box is, but it might be. That is where you get your heating from now. So this is going to be going, so if anybody wants to buy that, just let me know. Do you know what I mean? That is a few quid. Fireplace, I throw it in for free. Then, we've got that doorway there, another loft hatch, and up here, this is the bedroom. This is massive. This is massive up here. So, this is where we need to put a staircase. This is where we need to put a staircase. Look how high this is. Do you know what I mean? How high them ceilings are. This floor's been done good. So we'll get the staircase in here somewhere. I think the staircase would have to come up here. That's hot water tank. This is the hot water tank which is feeding downstairs, so at some point or another that's been changed. Not a good sign is there's no mouse droppings. That's a very good sign. So that's the downpipe. That's an overflow. That's an overflow. So there overflows them in copper. We'll earn a few quid in copper. So we have got a lot to do. All this needs to come down. You need to have a look at the ceilings, the roofs, the frame, the dormer, the heating, the electrics. I've never seen that. I don't know how they've done that. But it is massive up here. In theory, what we could do is we could do the same on the other side. Sounds like a brick wall, that solid brick wall. So what we'll do is we'll chisel that in and we will see where we go with that, Chase. Do you know what I mean? Fun, that. It's fun. So we will see. Bish bash bosh. Stay with us.